Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we would like to share with you an amazing recipe of healthy chicken wrap. For this recipe, after work, if you're tired, this is the best and healthiest and delicious thing to do in the evening. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel, or if you are already a subscriber, give us some love in our comments. So let's get it started. So here are the ingredients that we are going to need for today's recipe of healthy chicken wrap. So I'm going to need 2 pieces of chicken fillet. It's approximately 250 grams. Then we're going to need olive oil. This is organic olive oil we got from the local farmer. And we are going to need in total 2 tablespoons. We are going to need a little bit of lettuce, 1 piece of tomato, and half of onion. I'm using the red onion because my husband loves red onion, but you are totally free to use the white onion as well, guys. Then we are coming to our most beloved spices. So we are gonna go ahead and get started with salt, black pepper, red sweet pepper, dried vegetables, and oregano. If you like any more spices, you are free to use any of the spices you like to use. We also gonna need tortilla bread, or you can use any type of flat bread that you have at home. For the last ingredient, we are gonna go to our balcony and get our fresh basils from our garden. So let's wash our basil. So we're gonna cut our onions half moon shape, half circles. We're gonna cut our tomatoes also. For the chicken, we use the knife lengthwise. So this is the way that we cut our chicken. Now we are gonna mix our chicken fillet. First of all, we are gonna need a bowl, any type of bowl that you have. Then we have our spices ready to go. So let's mix them all. So make sure you spread them. Olive oil, we are going to use 2 tablespoons. If you have bigger family, you can count accordingly. For our small family, this is enough. You can use spoon or anything, but I like to use my hands to mix them. Make sure that all the spices are absorbed by the chicken. That is the key point. And then we'll leave it for 10 minutes. Then it will be ready to cook. After 10 minutes of marinating our beautiful chicken, we are gonna start cooking. So let's open the fire. It should be on the high level. When putting the chicken, please make sure that you do not put all the chicken right away. That is another key point. You take piece by piece. In this part, we are not going to use any oil because we already have used the oil when marinating. How the chicken starts to get white on the sides, it means it's ready to flip. Keep flipping those who have the white sides. For the others, you just wait. So after flipping once again, you see how it started to get golden color, it means it's ready to actually take out. So I'm gonna make the fire lower because I'm gonna place. And another thing to share is I've placed 2 plates and I've placed tortilla bread already. Then right away it's ready to go with the chicken. Second round of our chicken. We are only 2 persons, but my husband eats a lot and he loves these wraps. So I'm gonna make him a little bit more. So let's finish up our wrap. So I'm gonna place onions first. So I'm gonna place tomatoes, not much, as you see, just 1 line, because we want it to be juicy but not watery. That is the reason. Then we've got our lettuce. And then we've got our fresh basil. It gives perfect taste. Totally suggesting to all of you. Then, so as a side dish, I've got here from our balcony, these are the sweet peppers and these are the spicy peppers. My husband eats the spicy ones, so I'm gonna place the spicy for him, and then the sweet ones for me. Yay! Thank you guys for watching us. Bon appetit. Hope you will try this out and let us know in the comments your thoughts about this particular healthy wrap. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel, or if you're already a subscriber, give us some love in the comments. Thank you for watching again. Goodbye.